Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Salman, consultant plastic, cosmetic and hair transplant surgeon in Islamabad and Peshawar. Today we'll talk about liposuction, something that you have heard of quite a lot, a complete transformation, something which is less invasive, easy to do, and it can change your look within a few hours. Liposuction procedure can be done under local anesthesia as well as general anesthesia, but it depends on the area, the amount of fat, and the comfort of the patient and the surgeon. If, for example, someone has only double chin, I'll do that under local anesthesia. But if someone has fat in the belly, which is actually the commonest part of the body to accumulate fat, I would want to do it under general anesthesia. It gets very comfortable under GA for the patient as well as for the surgeon. You only feel a cannula, you're asleep, I take out all the fat, and when you wake up, we just show you how much we have removed. Belly fat is very stubborn, and liposuction is the ideal procedure to remove stubborn fat. Along with that, the waist, the love handles, this together with the frontal anterior abdomen, they are the areas that would bother literally everyone. Even someone as slim as me, sometimes I have problems with the fat in the belly and the love handles. So one has to be very conscious, very careful. I want to do liposuction in a completely safe manner. It's an easy procedure, it's a very safe procedure, and I do it in Islamabad as well as Peshawar. And we are able to do liposuction under anesthesia, so you don't actually feel the pain. The pain is very minimal. You don't feel anything during the procedure. You feel very minimal pain after the procedure, which is easily controllable with routine painkillers. I recommend a compression garment afterwards for at least 4 to 8 weeks. That maintains the shape. One thing that I always insist on, every patient who comes for liposuction, I ask them about diet and exercise. It's better that you develop a habit of exercise and careful diet before undergoing liposuction. This would help you develop the habit, then get a procedure, and then maintain it with your diet and exercise habit. That's going to give you the best results, and that's going to give you long-lasting results, because the fat, it is stubborn and it can come back. I remove the cells in liposuction, but I do not remove them completely. It cannot be removed completely. So the next time you stop caring about your diet, you're going to build up more fat. That's why I always recommend that you maintain a good diet and exercise regimen before going for liposuction. Liposuction is a type of natural body sculpting. It's natural because we are not doing anything extra. We're just removing part of the natural fat, which is extra. We leave the rest. We do not remove 100% of the fat. We only remove about 70%. Sometimes in some patients who want high definition sort of a liposuction, the HD lipo, there I'm able to remove more. But even then, it's a complete natural body sculpting. You have very small incisions, just about 1 centimeter, 3 or 4 of them depending on the area that I have to cover. A cannula goes in, sucks out the fat, and you are able to get the result the way you desire. Body contouring in Islamabad is a very common ask by the patients. They want a 360-degree lipo or a 360 liposuction, where we do liposuction of the front of the abdomen, the sides of the abdomen, and also the back. This together gives a very nice funnel shape to the body, and this is called body sculpting. It is also called fat removal surgery, but it is not an open surgery. It is only minimally invasive, where we only have small 1 centimeter incisions for the cannula, and we just stitch it back with a single stitch after the procedure. Now let me discuss a case study with you. This patient in particular had fat in the upper abdomen, the lower abdomen, the love handles. I've marked it. I did liposuction. She's young. She was only 23 years old, and she's a doctor, a gynecologist, in fact. And she wanted to contour the front of the abdomen as well as the side before getting married. We were able to do that. We did the 360 lipo, the front, the sides, a little bit of the back, and you could see a wonderful change. This natural looking result is what I focus on. I always want subtle changes that look natural, that look perfect for your body, and I do not like to overdo things. She has lost 3 inches of belly just with this one single procedure of 2 hours. She was perfectly fine few hours after the procedure, and she was able to go home the very same day. So liposuction is a very safe procedure. We do it in Islamabad as well as Peshawar, and it is something that you can always think of if you're sick and tired of your diet and exercise. At Dr. Salman Aesthetics, we'll be able to give you the best possible treatment to take care of yourself. Drop your queries in comments. I'll be happy to answer them. It's something that is very commonly asked for, and I would like to answer whatever you have in mind regarding the procedure, because it's very hard to get your hands on a plastic surgeon. Take good care of yourself, stay young, stay healthy, and stay in good body shape.